All right, what's up, y'all? We got a this is a 2016 Chevy Impala, and we're doing an AC compressor. So let's look at this compressor. You got your electrical connection right here, which is just held on by a push tab. Here's your lines going in. There's one 13mm bolt holding it on. You got another 13. I think that's a 15mm there, and then you got two, maybe 15s right here. We'll figure out when we get to the car. So the first thing you want to do is release your Freon or drain the refrigerant. So what I like to do is get a piece of cardboard or a plastic bag like this, and what I do is I usually just hold on one second. This is my favorite method. I like to take it like this so that you protect your hand, and the line to release it is actually on the back of the motor. So going in, and the line is right back here. I don't know if you, there it is right there. Right there. So you just gotta move this line out the way, but it's coming from back here where the strut tower is, and it's this line right here, right by the strut tower. Alright, going in here, have my plastic bag, like that. A lot of Freon comes out. Alright, then right here by the oil filter, there's your 13mm right here. There it is right there. Damn, you see it? Alright, so there's your AC compressor right there, and you can see that 13mm. That's your line right there. You want to take that 13 off. If you don't take the Freon out, it's all going to shoot out. So when you take that line off, you can get to the bolt, which is right down here. There's a bolt down there. Also, you're gonna have to take off your shield right here. So the shield is 3 clips. 1, 2. That one's hard to get to. So you want to get your pry tool like so. And look, it's gonna be a 1, 2, and that third one is way back here. There it is right there. You see that hole right there? Right there. Alright, there's your compressor. I believe those are 15s. And then you got the 1/2-inch drive. Rotate that counterclockwise. There's your tensioner right there. So you wrote that counterclockwise. That'll take your belt off, and then you got 1, 2 bolts, and then you got to get your electrical connector. So I'm gonna put this down, put the camera down, go ahead and start taking it apart. Okay, so I'm under the car, and there's your exhaust, oil pan, your drain bolt, and there's your compressor right in there. Now, what I'm doing is I'm coming up in front where this deflector shield is, coming right there, and you can see right there the front, there's the compressor. So this is where I'm coming. I'm putting, there's your electrical connector right there, and there's the bolt right up in here. But what I'm doing to get to that bolt, I'm actually coming right here, and then I'm just looking right there. There it is right there. So, but I'm coming in front of this bar right here with my tool and attacking it like that, and I'm just using a ratchet That's a 13 millimeter with a swivel socket and extension, with a swivel extension and a 13 millimeter. So the bolts on the front right here are actually those are 15 millimeters, which I've already taken off. So that's a 15 millimeter nut on top, and there's a 15 millimeter bolt on the bottom right there, which I've already removed. And now it should come out, and you're gonna take it out right here. This little opening that you've created by taking the shield out, it's gonna come right out through there real easy. That's basically it. So I'm gonna put it all back together and recharge after I get it out of here. Oops. Okay, so I'm taking it out. Electrical connector is actually on the top, so it's actually right here. So I'm trying to take it out. Here it is. There's your top bolt right here, and right up past the top bolt there's a push tab right there. So you got to push that back and squeeze it. That's your electrical connector. The one on the front, that's just for the compressor itself. And then we'll just pull it out right through here. But there's your connector right there on top. You just push that little tab back and squeeze it down. Okay, and then you got one more. So here's the compressor. You got one more connector. So you got a tab right here. All you do is push that out, and then on the other side you're gonna push it out with a screwdriver. But there's a tab right there. You lift it up, and then lift it up on the other side, and this connector will come off. So you're just gonna stick your screwdriver right there, pry that up, and then pry that out, and then it'll come out. Okay, so I'm looking at the new one. All right, so that's the one we took off just a minute ago, but really it was actually, that's the one that's on the front that we already released. My connector got hung up, this end right here got stuck, and that's why I was taking that out right there. But really, once you do that one on the very front, which is the very first connector I showed you, that's it. But you do have, like, okay, so you got one right there that you got to disconnect, and then you got this one you got to disconnect. So you just got those two. So we're going to take this bolt out right here. It's a 13, and then putting it back in, you're just going to slide it back in, get it on that groove right there on the top. Those are two 15s, and then that's your 13. And then you're going to put your port back on and recharge, and this job is done. Oh, one more thing. Alright, so I take this off and then realize, okay, you got to transfer the stud. So just grab on the bottom where there's no threads, or just grab as close to the base, and then you can break it loose with vice grips, or you can get a stud removal tool and do it like that and just transfer it over, and you can just hand tighten it down, give it a little turn, and then when you put your nut on top, it'll snug it down.